Ngiyanibingelela nonke egameni lenkosi yethu uJesu Kristu. Amen. We were loved. We were loved by Uma, asikaze singakwazi lokho. We were pushed to our greatest extent at every opportunity. We were supported in every and any dream, idea, had. We were raised by a force. We were raised by a powerhouse. We were raised by ushilo uKithi wathi thina ekhaya uKithi asimbizi ngamagama akhe, asimbizi ngomamkhulu, asimbizi ngogogo, simbiza ngegama. Ushilo uKithi wathi kubhlungu. But one thing Uma made sure of benobaba is to, like uAndiso said, is basikhulise, basifundise ukumazi uNkulunkulu. Noma kunje uthi uyawavala amehlo uyathandaza uyazama kungaphumi lutho. Kodwa okubalekile is that we still coming before him, we still kneeling at his altar. Uyazazi inhliziyo zethu. Silimele kakhulu. To say otherwise would be an absolute lie. More than anything, anginakho engifuna ukusho besides to say thank you. It was only 3 months from the day Uma was diagnosed to the day Shia, a very, very short time. But in those 3 months, uthando esesikhonjiswe lona, nothando enimkhombise lona was immense. Ushilo futhi uKithi ukuthi nimthandile, nimkhombisile uthando. Namthanda so much that even in this past week, esehambile, nathi saluzwa lelo thando. Already on Monday, not many hours after everyone heard the news, this memorial service and the funeral was already sorted. Ngifuna ukubonga bonke bodonda. Hey. Silimele kakhulu. Kodwa ushilo futhi uKithi ukuthi uma ubuthanda umndeni wakhe and sonke ekhaya siyathandana. Akukho esuke kwenzeka sangabambana, sangathandana. Ngeke ke siqale manje. Baba. Hey. Siyabonga. Yeah. Kithi selinawe ke manje sis. Lento yokuhamba lokuthi awunaso isibindi. Hayi mina nginaso ke kodwa ke. Hayi isibindi sama wami nginaso ke. Nginaso. Not to that level, cha, ngafiki lapho kodwa hayi nginaso. Hey silimele. Siyazi ukuthi our lives will literally never be the same again. But the amount of love we have received and we are continuing to receive is so much. Angeke ngisho ukuthi kuvala isikhala, but it is making a big difference. Kuthina sonke. Siyabonga. Siyabonga.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share this video. Zanele Mbokazi's daughter Yolanda Miyeza, who is also an actress, gave that emotional speech at a memorial service which was held today in remembrance of the late Zanele Mbokazi, you guys. Now, her daughter revealed that they have received so much love from her mother's fans, her mother's colleague, and the public. You guys, she also thanked the public and colleagues who have shown them love and support through this very difficult and devastating times. She says that her mother received so much love during her cancer diagnosis till the end from the public, and that her mother knew the love, she knew the love, and she also felt the love from her fans. You guys, we are definitely sending our deepest and sincere condolences to the Mbokazi family, you guys, and may Mam Zanele's soul just rest in peace. We are definitely sending them our deepest and sincere condolences. I will definitely and surely be seeing you on my next video, and may God bless you all. Bye.